Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique.
So in this video, I'm just going to show how to put the page number on the top of your document. So you just need to click on the insert option here. Then you just need to go to the page number here. So you can see a option called page number. So here there is a 4 options, but you need to select this option. So you can see the page number has been highlighted here. So you can scroll the pages, you can see on the top the page number has been mentioned, and here you also have extra options to make on the page number. On the top there is a 2 option. One thing is the page number will be on every page, or you just click on this, it will be start from 0 1 like this. So try this option to make a page number on the top of the page, so you can change whenever that you want. So I think this video helped you a lot. If it helped you a lot, just like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.